I know what it's like to feel trapped by bad credit. Bills piling up, phone calls you avoid, doors slamming in your face when you try to get approved. It's not just numbers, it's your life on hold. But imagine, in just weeks you start getting approvals. You can buy what you need, rent where you want, and even get that car without begging someone to co-sign. This is not some expensive law firm that charges you month after month while your problems drag on. This is the most advanced, affordable, and accurate credit repair system ever built. An AI machine that never takes a break, never asks for more money, never says, "We'll do it later." It works the moment you sign up, day and night, until your credit is fixed. Behind the scenes, over 100 powerful AI tools are working for you at the same time. The exact methods top credit experts charge thousands to use, all included for the same low price. It targets every problem: collections, bankruptcies, foreclosures, tax liens, repossessions, judgments, even criminal records and much more, then wipes them out one by one. And while it's fixing the bad, it's building your score up fast. You'll see results in as little as 45 days. You don't need to know the law. You don't need to do the work. And you don't need thousands of dollars. You just need to start, because if you wait, nothing changes.